Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make phosphate free washing powder which is very low in cost and it will not become moist and sticky even in rainy season. It will remain dry. And friends, this detergent powder is very light in weight, so it will need more space to fill. For example, if you are filling 1 kg detergent powder in a polythene, you will require bigger polythene to fill this lightweight detergent powder in it, as comparison with the space required by the normal detergent powder. As a result, the polythene of this lightweight detergent powder will be bigger in size. So the customer will be very happy to buy bigger size in the same price. So if you want to do business, the sale will be more. So let's start. Friends, I am showing you the raw materials first. See, this is acid slurry. It is a type of surfactant. See, this is SLES. It is a co-surfactant. See the texture and the color. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shops. This is soda ash. This is sodium silicate powder. This is zeolite powder. This is color granules. Many colors are available. You can take any color. This is fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Now I am starting the process. For that I have taken an empty bowl. First I am taking soda ash. Now I am adding sodium silicate powder. Then I am adding color granules. I am adding zeolite powder. Now I am mixing it properly. Friends, now I have taken another container. I am putting acid slurry. Then adding SLES in it. Now I am mixing it properly. You should mix it till the color changes. After mixing for some time, it will look like this. Now I am mixing the mixture of dry powder which we have prepared. Then I am mixing it. I am adding some more powder and then again mixing it. Again I am adding some more powder and then mixing it again. Friends, gradually mix all the powder in it. Now I am adding perfume. Now I am adding some more color granules. Friends, your detergent powder is ready. Friends, now I am showing you the quality of detergent powder. For that I have taken a small amount of detergent powder and adding water in it. So see the result. Friends, you can add any color of your choice. The color should be water based. Friends, if you want to do low cost business, you can try this business because it is very easy to make this washing powder and it is very lightweight. So the size of polythene will be bigger. It will attract more customer and it will not become moist and sticky even in rainy season, and the production cost is very low. So this business will be profitable for you. Friends, I will show you the machines which are available in the market. There are two types of machines, semi-automatic and automatic. I will show you both the machines. See, this is one type of mixer machine. These all are mixer machines. They are available in different capacities. These are sealing machines. You can pack your materials in the polythene and seal with these machines. Friends, this is automatic machine. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please hit the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel After pressing the subscribe button, you will see bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.